welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, it's just like a get ready with me for going out in the city. So me and my friends are going out into Boston tonight, and I'm just going to show you how I do my hair and my makeup. It's nothing fancy, but this is my third video of today, and I'm going on to 4 in a second. So please appreciate me. So if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, also comment down below, and let's just get on right into the makeup and hair. So I already moisturized. I am going to prime. I'm priming with the Maybelline Master Prime in Blur and Smooth, and I'm not really sure what I'm doing for like an eye look yet, so I'm just gonna do my face makeup first. And I'm going to be using for foundation my L'Oreal True Match, and I am in the shade Nude Beige W3. Next, for concealer, I'm going to be using my IT Cosmetics by Under Eye in the shade Medium. I'm going to put this under my eyes, on my chin. I'm also going to cream contour just because like it makes my contour and stuff stay better throughout the night. So I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toast, and I'm just going to put that on my like cheekbones, a little bit on like my temples, side of my forehead. I always blend it like in an upward motion too, so it doesn't get dragged down. Now I'm going to bake under my eyes and everything. Bronzing a bit, and I'm using my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. Also contouring a bit with my Anastasia contour kit. And now I'm going to be using some blush. I'm just using this one from BH Cosmetics. Finally, for my face, I'm going to be highlighting. And I'm using my Carly Bible BH Cosmetics palette. Now for eyes, I'm just going to be taking this really like light orangey shade first as a transition. And I'm going to put that in my crease. Barely even see it, but that's okay. I'm seeing a little bit of darker orange now. Taking like a light brown to deepen my outer corner and my crease a little bit. I'm sorry I'm not talking, I'm like a little bit in a rush. I have like a lot to do before going out. So, and now I'm going to be taking like a kind of darker brown and putting that just in my outer corner. And then I'm going to highlight my brow bone, even though I have to do my eyebrows still. Moving on to my eyebrows, I'm using this NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe. It's literally the exact same thing as Anastasia Brow Wiz. Don't waste your money. Trust. So I'm just going to curl my eyelashes like really a lot. Curl them a lot so that they're long. And then I'm going to put on some L'Oreal Telescopic mascara, but that's boring to watch and I do so many layers, so I will come back after I'm done. Literally 20 years later, and I am done with my mascara. Now for lips, I'm going to line using my BH Cosmetics Stripped Lip Liner. I'm putting on some lipstick from MAC in the shade Angel. had this lipstick since junior year of prom. Isn't that disgusting? Kind of. Now I'm using my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Now, moving on to hair. The curling iron that I'm going to be using today is this one from Duval. This is the Trinity set. It comes with 3 different like detachable heads, and look, it like counts up when it's heating up on. It's so cool. But there's 3 detachable heads that it comes with, and this is the smallest one. I just find that when I use this one and then brush my hair out, it makes my curls last longer because curls never last in my head, and when I used this one, they lasted forever. And like, I was so excited when I found that out because I've always struggled with keeping my hair curled because it always just falls out like 30 minutes after I do it, but this stayed all night and I loved that. So if you are interested in getting those curling irons, use the link down below to get them. It's my link, and you'll get some money off. And it also comes with a heat protecting glove, but I'm a daredevil. I'm probably gonna burn myself, honestly. So I'm just gonna speed up curling my hair, and I'll show you what it looks like after. This is how my hair turned out. It's gonna fall out more than this. This is just how it looks currently, but it'll fall in like 20 minutes. So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I know my makeup's a little bit boring, but this is more of a like get ready with me than a makeup tutorial, but it's also more realistic. I feel like it's just a pain and high maintenance to wear heavy glam out because you just have to like fix it and like make sure it's not running and stuff and like whatever. So this is it. Again, I'm going to link my Duval link below if you want to get the hair curling irons or anything else on their website. You can use my link. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, also comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!